it is what it is. Do I stay angry? Or do I, because when I sort of turned off that switch to stop being angry, I realized because he was feeding off of the way I felt, and everyone around me was just, the anger just kept bringing me down, and anger produces more anger and anxiety and this. So I'm like, no, it's not. I can't let it take over my life and let it over his as well. So if I'm angry, it's gonna go on to him.
Right.
So I always, when I feel like I feel overwhelmed or I feel like I'm gonna get angry, I'm like, no, let's just simplify it. It is what it is. I have to deal with it, one foot in front of the other. And I don't mean it like, positivity and happiness, not in a toxic way. You have to weigh it out, There's balance, and even the bad. We need the bad for us to see the good, So we have to have a balance of both, I think. And it's only then when you appreciate how the little things make you happy.
Yeah.
I mean, I refer to this story often. We complain about traffic, right? Like everybody's like road rage and like, get out of my way and this and that. And I'm in traffic and I smile. I love it. Like it's a matter of like, yes, it is. It's there. Can we do something about it? Not really. I have to get somewhere. I get in my car, just go. And so many times I've been in traffic and just say, I'm happy I'm in traffic because I'd rather be in traffic than sitting in that fucking blue chair next to my son's hospital bed.
Mela, tlaqna?